So after I baked the key lime pie for 15 minutes in the oven, I then allowed it to cool, and then I put it into the fridge for 3 hours until it's completely set. And it smells like key lime pie heaven. Now this is optional, but I like to dress mine up with some whipped double cream. I pop it right into the center, and then I'll spread it out a little bit. Do this just before you serve it. Spread it out just a little bit. You still want to see the key lime pie, but it's really nice to have a little bit of light whipped cream with it. And then I've sliced up some limes really, really thinly, and I'm just going to place 6 of them around like that, slightly touching on the whipped cream, and then use one of my lemons. So beautiful. I'm going to zest it up over the cream. Oh, the smell is so beautiful. And how easy was that to make? Key lime pie heaven. Isn't that just gorgeous?